Recently, Andrei Sorokin, the Deputy CEO for Business Development at the Vector Research Institute, announced that Russia's new anti-drone system, SRP-V-S5, has successfully completed tests and is now available for deployment. The Vector Research Institute, which is part of the Ruselectronics Group within the state tech corporation Rostec, developed the system. Sorokin stated that the delivery timeline is being finalized and orders for the system are already in place. The SRP-V-S5 can detect intruder drones within a range of 5 kilometers across a 360-degree area. It can also split the observation angle into sectors with independent modes of operation to counter other drones. The equipment operates in 5 frequency bands, ranging from 900 MHz to 5.8 GHz, making it effective against both civilian and special drones. The system disables the drone's control channel, disrupts communication with its operator, knocks out its navigational equipment, and causes the drone to lose its bearings, thus disrupting its flight. The SRP-V-S5 also jams GPS, GLONASS, and BETA signals in the L1, L2, and L5 frequency bands, as well as disabling Wi-Fi control. The system communicates with its control post via Ethernet. The SRP-V-S5, Russian for sickle, can reportedly cut off drones from their pilots within a 5 kilometers, 3.1 mile, range. The system works over 5 frequencies, which allows it to target specialized and civilian drones. According to the developer, SRP-V-S5 suppresses the connection from the UAV operator, scrambles navigation, and disorientates the aircraft. The complex is said to work against American GPS, Russian-made GLONASS, Chinese BETA, the L1, L2, L5 ranges, as well as Wi-Fi controlled drones. The anti-drone defense system was designed by the Ruselectronics Vector Research Institute. Both the company and the institute are part of Rostec, Russia's leading state-owned tech industry conglomerate. The developer's deputy CEO, Andrei Sorokin, said, "Anti-drone protection was becoming an integral part of any security system." Combat and reconnaissance drones are being used extensively amid Russia's military operation in Ukraine, both on battlefields and for sabotage attacks by Kiev. Last week, Russian air defenses shot down an unmanned aircraft over Bryansk Region. The Krasnodar and Adygea regions were also attacked by drones in late February, when those attempts were successfully repelled, the Russian Defense Ministry reported. The new anti-drone complex, SRP-V-S5, is designed to counter the attacks of unmanned aerial vehicles. It is able to simultaneously neutralize several unmanned aerial vehicles, including in a situation where drones will fly from different directions. Counteraction to drones is carried out as follows. The complex suppresses the control channel through which the drone directs the operator. Then the connection with the operator is broken. The navigation equipment is displayed at the drone. As a result, the drone becomes disoriented in space and fails. The SERP VS-5 complex is designed for a range of up to 5 kilometers. The manufacturing company claims that the complex can be used to monitor power lines or pipelines in order to protect them from sabotage using unmanned vehicles. Also, with the help of the complex, it is possible to ensure the safety of industrial enterprises from reconnaissance unmanned aerial vehicles. In the current military-political situation, the creation and implementation of such a system can be very important in terms of ensuring the security of military, industrial and infrastructure facilities from reconnaissance or sabotage attacks by enemy drones. Thus, the Russian defense industry has mastered the promising direction of specialized means of combating UAVs and is now actively developing it. The specifics of the current special operation becomes an additional incentive for the creation of new samples and systems. The next result of this process was the new SERP VS-5 complex, developed at the Vector Research Institute. Now it is being mass production may begin in the foreseeable future. How successful this development will be commercially, time will tell.